Hey guys, I'm Michael Allen from TravelCostaRicaNow.com, but this is more like my personal Costa Rica. Guys, like many of you, I have struggled with back issues for a long time, since 2004. I know about not being able to sleep, I know about not being able to move, about not being able to wipe your ass, about not being able to exercise, all of it. Trust me, I've been dealing with it for a long time, trying all the things you're supposed to try, from yoga, which I did love, but it actually put a little bit too much strain on the back. So I've tried a lot of things. But about a few months ago, my back was so bad, I really did think it was time I was going to have to make the move to surgery. I literally could not move. It sucked. I couldn't do anything. But I found a solution, man, and it has nothing to do with surgery. It has nothing to do with exercise equipment. You can do it in your home, and I guarantee it will fix your herniated disc. It'll make your stronger core back here, and you'll be able to move around better. It was a lifesaver for me. I do know one thing. The worst thing you can do with a back problem is not do anything. If you just sit around and, oh, my back hurts, and you take opiates, it's never going to get better. You have to move. But anyway, this is going to make it better. Three basic exercises, all right? Now, this first one, you don't necessarily, if you have a chin-up bar or something that kind of hang from, it would be great. I've used a door before in a pinch, but here's how this goes. If you don't have any strength in your upper body, you're not hanging here, okay? You have your feet on the ground. This is it. Feet on the ground here. Let yourself go, but still keep up by your weight. So you're going to hold this for 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, however long, okay? So the next one is an alignment. This is going to help align your the back of your spine. Here's the wall. Put your feet like this, and you're going to push your hip to the wall. Maybe 2 seconds. 1, 2, back. 1, 2, back. You can do that about 15 times. Now, if you really need to get in alignment, maybe go a little farther and do it. Or maybe if it kind of bothers you, maybe a little closer to get started. Now, you do this on the side that your back's having the issue with. If you go, well, Mike, I'm not sure, just do both sides. Not a problem. The other one similar is this one. Hip out, up to the wall. Hold for a couple seconds. Down, dip out, in. This is helping align your back. Now, one of the best ones, the ones that can alleviate an issue almost right after you do it, is this one. Thumbs on that part of your spine right here, those two bumps that come out above your butt crack. Push on those, lean back. The better you get at this, and if you can go back farther, is good. Now, the similar one that you may have seen many times is this one. It's the same thing, but on the ground. So, if you can only do this, do this. But what you're going to end up doing is you're going to try to start getting up a little, up more, hips against the ground, more, arch, and hold. Now, I don't really like this one as much. I like the other one better. All right, so now you can do those maybe in the morning. You do 2 or 3 cycles of them, maybe 2 cycles, whatever you can do. If you have to do them at night, do them at night. I guarantee it's going to help you. Seriously, this is the magic pill, I'm telling you. It saved me, and it can definitely save you. Anyway, guys, I'm Michael Allen, TropicalSpeakingNow.com. Peace, guys. It definitely will help. Oh, and if you want to do it with disco lights, it's even better.